Today we're exploring one of the most mysterious and extreme places on Earth, the Siberian permafrost, a frozen world that stretches for millions of square kilometers, where the ground remains frozen year-round, sometimes hundreds of meters deep. And hidden within this ice is a story billions of years in the making, one that has preserved the past in ways scientists are still struggling to understand. For tens of thousands of years, the permafrost has acted as a natural freezer, keeping the remains of animals, plants, and even microbes in almost perfect condition. Imagine walking through a frozen landscape where every step could reveal something from a world long gone. It's like time itself has been paused, waiting for modern humans to uncover its secrets. When scientists first began exploring the permafrost, they expected to find bones and fossilized remains, but what they found was far beyond ordinary fossils. Deep inside the ice, they uncovered woolly mammoths, not skeletons, but entire bodies with fur, skin, and sometimes even traces of liquid blood still intact. Some of these mammoths had been preserved so well that researchers could extract viable DNA from them, raising the possibility of cloning or de-extinction. And the surprises didn't stop there. Buried alongside these giants, scientists discovered Ice Age plants frozen in time. Some of the seeds, once thawed and replanted, actually began to grow again. Think about that. Life surviving tens of thousands of years in complete stasis, only to return in the modern world. It's a living reminder of just how powerful and resilient nature can be. The discoveries from Siberia don't just show us what the Ice Age looked like. They give us insight into the ecosystems that existed long before humans dominated the planet. Scientists have found entire frozen herds, plant matter, and soil samples that reveal how life adapted to extreme cold and sudden climate changes. These frozen snapshots allow us to reconstruct environments that vanished tens of thousands of years ago, giving us a rare glimpse into the world of our distant past. But not everything preserved in the permafrost is harmless. In 2014, researchers revived something terrifying, a 30,000-year-old virus trapped in the ice. Remarkably, it was still active and capable of infecting single-celled organisms. While this particular virus didn't pose a direct threat to humans, it highlighted a chilling reality. The melting permafrost could release unknown pathogens that have been dormant for millennia. Scientists warn that as global temperatures rise and the Arctic warms faster than anywhere else, more ancient viruses and bacteria could re-enter our environment. Some discoveries are even stranger. Frozen bodies of prehistoric wolves, cave lions, and other predators have been found preserved mid-action, as if they were suddenly frozen in the middle of a hunt. In some cases, stomach contents are intact, showing what these animals ate thousands of years ago. There's even evidence of entire ecosystems buried and preserved under layers of ice. Plants, insects, and microorganisms that collectively tell the story of how life thrived and adapted in extreme conditions. The Siberian permafrost is also a key archive for understanding extinction events. By studying these frozen remains, scientists can track how species disappeared, how populations shifted, and how climate change affected biodiversity. These lessons are more relevant than ever today as we face rapid global warming and the risk of ecological collapse. The ice is literally a record of survival, adaptation, and extinction, a warning from the past for the future. But the permafrost is changing. In recent decades, scientists have observed unprecedented thawing due to rising global temperatures. This is more than just a geological curiosity. It's a ticking time bomb for the planet. As the ice melts, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide, as well as ancient carbon stored for thousands of years. And alongside these gases, long frozen microbes and viruses could awaken, potentially creating unknown consequences for ecosystems and human health. Beyond the science, there's something almost mystical about these frozen discoveries. Imagine unearthing a mammoth that died 40,000 years ago, perfectly preserved in ice, its fur, tusks, and even muscle tissue intact. It's a tangible connection to a world we can barely imagine, a reminder that the Earth has lived through climates, extinctions, and changes far more dramatic than anything we experience today. Some researchers even speculate that the permafrost could contain evidence of human activity from the distant past. Stone tools, settlements, or artifacts lost to time and ice may still lie buried under the frozen tundra, waiting to be discovered. Every thawing patch of permafrost has the potential to rewrite our understanding of the Ice Age, evolution, and even human history. So, what does this all mean for us today? The melting permafrost is more than just ice disappearing, it's time itself unraveling. Ancient DNA, viruses, methane, and carbon are being released into a world very different from the one they were preserved in. Scientists warn that understanding and monitoring these changes is critical, not just for preserving history, but for protecting the future of our planet. The Siberian permafrost is a frozen archive of life, death, and survival. It's a storybook written in ice, a warning from the past, and a mystery that continues to challenge our understanding of the natural world. Every year, as more of this frozen ground thaws, more secrets are revealed. Mammoths, plants, viruses, and microorganisms, all waiting to tell their story. The question is, are we ready to hear it? If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the Siberian permafrost, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible stories from our planet's hidden past.